Hey, this PoeticWhiz. Pixel 8. I've never used a Pixel phone much. Only spent a brief time with it over the years. In a while, since I have not come to appreciate Google's approach to the Pixel phone, it feels like they have not made any big improvements it's been previously. Since some might appreciate it, I do not happen to much. At least not this time. Here is why. Design. Since the inception, Pixel phones have always been unique in design that I have come to really appreciate, especially the way camera layout, color waves have to offer. You feel like it is made for the people who value a good overall package. This time around, I did not feel that with the Pixel. It feels like any other smartphone out there. Colors are okay, not that great. Software, I feel Google is slowly making progress in this area, especially the way Material UI feel and what Google has to offer in terms of feature. It's nice to know that Google wants the best, and not just in features, as well how it can be meaningful in our life. Hardware, I feel it's the hardware on the Pixel is behind. It's nowhere close to other smartphones, at least that's how I feel it. In terms of size, display, they are way better for most people. My overall thoughts on the Pixel. It's nice to have. It's not the Pixel you should be getting, at least not for its price. Wait a year later would be a wise choice, in my opinion. In the end, it's you who's buying. You may know what is right for you. I personally feel it's not the Pixel. I personally not a fan of the design. Rest seems in place. Till then, this is your Poetic Way. Do like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.